The main thing you'll need to source out while caravanning and camping is water. From cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, bathing and of course drinking, water is the most essential resource on the road. This free interactive map includes over 1,200 public water fill points around Australia. To access the map, head to myrigadventures.com/rv-water-fill-stations. You can also find the link in the description box below. Next, scroll down to the interactive map. You can grab the map to move it around and zoom in and out to help find your location. Once you find a water tap near you, click on the blue icon to bring up the details, which will appear on the left of the screen. From there you can see the name of the water fill station, the features available and the street address. While the majority of water fill points are free, some may have a small cost, especially in towns with water restrictions. You can see that some locations also offer facilities such as toilets, rubbish bins, a playground for the kids, picnic tables, dog-friendly and more. To find directions to the water station you've chosen, copy the address, then click the right arrow to open up Google Maps. Paste the address into the directions search bar and hit enter. To search the state-by-state list for water points, open up the menu by clicking on the top left button. From there you can scroll down to the state you're looking for and see each water point listed in alphabetical order. If you want to include or exclude specific states, simply select or unselect the desired states using the ticks. To open up a full-screen view of the map, click the View Larger Map button in the top right-hand corner. This will bring up the larger map with the menu automatically showing down the left-hand side of the screen. Please note that this map includes most water fill points that are available to the public, excluding caravan parks. For more caravanning tips, head to myrigadventures.com.